Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Ni hao, good day ma'am and sir. I'm Rochelle Pinto Cantabanyag from the ideal city of the north, which is the Calayan City, Isabela. 32 years of age, married with 2 kids. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Banking and Finance.
Okay, what is your experience?
With a working experience of being a branch cashier in a home builder's depot for a year, loan assistant in a bank at Philippine Resources Savings Bank for a year. Back then, I decided to work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as a private caregiver for almost 3 years. And currently, I work as a barangay secretary in our barangay from December 2023 up to present.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
I'm a highly motivated individual who thrives in a fast-paced environment. I'm a self-driven person, love of learning, hardworking, and can do multitasking. I am passionate in providing care to those in need, which keeps me motivated and excited to work at my best. Looking forward to work in your country and to be chosen as one of the best candidates in this position. Sheshe.